Project title Dry Mix. Presented by Christine Sadiq, Hadir Hassan, Farah Shukri, Dalia Wagdi, Muhammad Hussein, Sarah Harb, and Mazid Abu Zaid. Before we begin, I would like to clarify that Drymix is a company concerned with exterior facade renders. Historical background. The origin of the Drymix products started in England in the 1930s, but it was introduced to the Egyptian local market only recently. Traditional methods. Drymix as a company opened up in 1999 and started its commercial work in the year 2000. The company is owned by both Nasif Sawiris and Ali Musa under the big umbrella of Orascom for construction materials. Drymix has 6 sister companies. They are namely the following: Master Builders Technologies, British Plaster Board, SCIB, Build, Mesa, and Drymix. Competition has taken its course, and several companies now supply similar products to Drymix, which include Savito, Fosrock, Sikka, CMB, and other contractors such as Fuad Gharib. Their contact info is presented in the following table. Moving on, the group has visited the Drymix company, which is located in the 6th of October at المنطقة الصناعية, and we had an interview with the marketing director and the plant manager. It's worthy of nothing that the presentation focuses on the application of Drymix products rather than manufacturing, as manufacturing is completely computerized and the hand skill lies in the application procedure. There are various methods that are considered when rendering, and those include the following: spraying Tyrolean, plaster and painting, artificial stone and tiles. Those are traditional methods which are more common in smaller scale projects. Traditional methods are much more economic as they require very simple materials that are mixed on site. Those include white cement powder, water, and sometimes very fine powder is also added. The method of application of this mix gives the different textures that make one facade different from the other. To give a rough texture, a Tyrolean between brackets tartasha is used where this mix is sprayed between brackets Russia on the wall, and sometimes a trowel is used to press the sprayed plaster on the wall. This can be between brackets نص مسة or between brackets مسة كاملة to either give a semi-flat or very flat appearance. If left unpressed, the texture is rough. The same mix can be applied using a steel trowel, and this is called between brackets fatisa, where the texture of the wall is very smooth. This may take paint coats over it to give it one more finishing layer or not. Another common method is the artificial stone, which is also composed of a cement-based mix, which includes cement powder, stone powder, water, some additives, and sometimes a creamy color is added. This mixture is filled into molds and left to dry. When dry, the artificial stone tiles are fixed onto the facade by 2 ways. Number 1, dry fix, which uses steel brackets drilled into the wall along with screws that fix the tile properly and firmly. It's also recommended because it's more durable. Number 2, wet fix, which includes using mortar between brackets cement and water mix to attach the tiles onto the walls. This method is more common when fixing any kinds of tiles onto the facade, but it is not as safe as the dry method in the case of a large or heavy tiles. Dry plast. We have three types of surface preparation products: dry plast 201, 202, and 208. 201, it's a smooth finishing plastering, mortar ideal for paints and wallpapers. 202, coarse finishing plastering mortar, having the same applications as the dry plast 201, except that it gives a rougher surface. 208, spatter dash between brackets tartasha, mortar for plastering on masonry blocks and concrete surfaces. It's suitable for dry and wet areas, whether indoors or outdoors. Dry plast 201 installment. Whole content of the bag is mixed with water using a mixing blade or a mixer. Add 6.5 liters of fresh, clean water, then add the contents of the 40 kilogram bag and mix until the mixture is uniform and free of lumps. Apply it immediately on the surface to be plastered, while the mortar is fresh and workable. Apply dry plast 201 using spraying machines or conventional hand applications. Level dry plast 201 using a leveling bar. The plastered leveled surface should be finished using a smooth hand trowel till smooth surface is attained. Cure the plastered surface for 3 days by spraying water on it. Dry plast 202 installment. You apply the same procedure as the dry plast 201, except that in order to build up thicknesses, layers of 2 to 3 centimeters thickness should be applied. Dry plast 208 installment. To install the dry plast 208, the same procedure is conducted, while altering the water quantity to suit the contents of the bag. Apply 1 coat of dry plast 208 in a spatter dash form at a thickness up to 5 mm, using manual spray machine or conventional hand application to produce rough textured surface. Cure for 24 hours by spraying water on it, minimum twice a day and according to weather conditions. Spatter dash coat of dry plast 208 should be filled with base coat plaster using dry plast 201 or 202 within a maximum of 4 weeks after application. Comparison between the three types of surface preparation products: dry plast 201, dry plast 202, dry plast 208. The three of them function: plastering mortar ensuring complete bond between the plastered surface and the final finishing layer. Aesthetics: the three of them available in 2 colors, gray or white. Safety of users: the three of them extremely safe. Relation to the surroundings: the three of them applied after leveling the walls and exterior facades and before using rendered finishes. Mixed proportions: for dry plast 201, 6.5 liters of water per bag. For dry plast 202, 6.5 liters of water per bag. For dry plast 208, 7 liters of water per bag. Packaging: for dry plast 201, 40 kilogram bag. For dry plast 202, 40 kilogram bag. For dry plast 208, 40 kilogram bags and bulk silos of 20 tons. Durability and maintenance: the three of them very high quality products with a compressive strength of 5 Newton per millimeter square, which makes it durable and thus requires low maintenance. Color decorative render products: these are products for facade finishes. We have 2 types: dry decor 301 and 302. 301, ready mixed color, decorative smooth finish facade render suitable for extreme weather conditions. 302, ready mixed color, decorative coarse facade finish. Dry decor 301 installment. Contents of the bag should be mixed together with water using a mixing blade or a mixer.